Welcome to another edition of DMIG Safety. I'm Mike Dermanuel Jr. and over the next couple of minutes, I hope you learn something about how to be safe in the workplace.
Today we want to talk about chemical safety, hazard communication program. It is critically important that you have material safety data sheets for the chemicals that you are working with. It is important to read that material safety data sheet. It has information about the chemical, the name. It also tells you about the hazards of that chemical. It also is equipped with a 1-800 number if you have further questions about the chemicals that you're using. The good thing about having updated material safety data sheets is that if one of your employees is exposed to a particular chemical, then you can take a copy of that material safety data sheet to the doctor of the chemical that the employee was exposed to, and it'll give the doctor or the treating medical physician more information about what chemical was spilled on the employee and how to treat that employee. Also, I want to draw your attention to documents that are easily found on MyWave, on your MyWave portal. These are just frequently asked questions about hazard communication. There's hazard communication programs, and so you can get these by going to your MyWave portal.
Well, the key to what you just saw today is, what are you going to do with the information? Are you going to take it seriously? Are you going to apply it to your daily work life? Because the entire purpose of the DMIG Safety Series is to make sure that at your school or at your church, we can have minimal injuries as possible. Thank you for watching.